Kharyzma, and today is wash day. I'm going to be focusing on my crown area, and specifically to help you guys who have crown area issues learn different techniques and different products that will help you repair your crown area. So what I'm going to be doing is washing my hair off camera with the Sunny Isle Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo, and then on camera I'm going to demo the Aphogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructor so you can see how I use it to repair my crown area. A lot of you guys have written into me about your crown area and the fact that you need help, and I'm here to help you. I've done a series of videos on crown area repair because there's just so much information on how to repair your crown area that I can't put it all into one video. So that's why I'm doing a series of videos, and I'll try to focus on the crown area for you guys to get that extra help that you need. If this is something that you're interested in, continue to watch the video. So I'm going to show you my hair. It's time for wash day. I'm taking off my bonnet. By the way, these bonnets are available on my website. I designed them so they are custom made. Etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you. And that's where you can go if you're interested in these satin lined bonnets. They're very, very pretty. And yeah. So guys, this is my hair. It's actually not dry since the last wash day. I know, look at that. I've been putting it in a bun. It looks a little dry, but it's not dry. It actually is soft to the touch, and that castor butter that I put in my hair when you saw the last wash day video I did, it really helped to moisturize my hair. But guys, my hair has tons and tons of product on it. And I'm due for my length check, guys. You know that I'm doing my protective styling, and I think November I'll do the length check for you guys so you could see my progress. But this is what my hair is looking like. It is a wash day. I'm gaining inches, guys. I really am. I'm very happy with the health of my hair. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go wash this off camera, and I'll come back with it wet and ready to apply the Aphogee 2-minute reconstructor. Okay guys, so I am back. I just finished shampooing my hair, and then I went on ahead and sectioned it off. You guys know how I always tell you to make sure you do your hair in sections. That way it's easier if you have a lot of hair, or even if you don't have a lot of hair, but it's easier to put the right amount of product on each section if you have it in sections. So yeah, and I always tell you guys to make a special section for your crown area so that you can make sure that you're giving it the extra TLC that it needs. So this is the Aphogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Always a mouthful for me to say, but the directions are to gently shampoo hair with Aphogee shampoo, rinse thoroughly and towel dry as usual. Squeeze a ½ ounce into palm using fingertips and work evenly through hair and scalp. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I think I'm going to speed up the video. Yeah. Okay guys, so you see me applying the products in my hair. I just squeeze a little in my hands, and this product smells very nice. It's a very light scent. It smells like coconut, so if you like products that have a light scent, this one definitely is it. It's a light coconut scent, and I love it. So what you see me doing is basically applying the product to all of my hair. I'm smoothing it out, and then I'm going through with my wide tooth comb and making sure I distribute the product evenly throughout each section. Now I do have a disclaimer. I don't understand how I didn't get myself putting the product on my crown area. I did, but I don't know how I don't have it in my footage. So I apologize for that. I'll do another video applying product to my crown area. But basically, everything you see me doing to the other sections of my hair, it's done to my crown area. I apply the product, I smooth it out, and I comb through it with a wide tooth comb and secure it with my butterfly clip. So when I'm done now, I'm going to, that's the shed hair, which is not bad at all. And so now I'm going to put on a plastic cap and I'm using one of my head wraps just to use my body heat for my hair. That's going to secure in that heat, and I'm using my satin bonnets, which you can get on my website. And that's it. Okay guys, so I'm done, fresh out the shower. I washed the Aphogee out of my hair, and I'm just going to show you what it's looking like. This is my microfiber towel, and this is my hair outside of the shower. So yeah, that's basically what it's looking like. Hope I washed all the conditioner out. I think I did. Yeah, that's it guys. I'm gonna go ahead and that's it. It's really soft, it's detangled, as you can see. Yeah, and it basically gave my hair that protein boost that it needs. Just put it back here. Yeah, so the Aphogee gave my hair, you know, that little protein boost that it needs. If you see that, you know, your crown area is very porous, which mine is, and I spoke about that in my other videos about crown area breakage, that porosity, a high porosity may contribute to crown area breakage. One of the things that you can do is give it protein, small amounts of protein, until you see that it's strengthened up, and then you can, you know, lay off the protein for some time. But the 2-minute reconstructor is definitely a light protein. You saw when I put it on my hair, it was very lightweight. Like my hair absorbed it right away. It's not a heavy product, so it definitely penetrates the hair shaft, and it gives it a little bit of a protein boost and moisture as well. So I really love the Aphogee 2-minute reconstructor. I've been using that for years. So I'll definitely put a link in the description box to my Amazon affiliate account, and you guys, if you would like to purchase it, just head on, click on my affiliate links. I'll put links for everything that you saw in the video in the description box. Please follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma for You Fashion, and that's my business account, and my personal account for Kharyzma for You. Also guys, please go on my new website, www.kharyzmaforyou.com. We are launching very soon. The website will be having a new product launch, totally unrelated to hair, and we're getting there. So sign up now so you'll be one of the first to know when we launch, and I'm gonna be sending out coupon codes and discounts, and I'm going to be doing giveaways. So please sign up so that you can stay tuned, because we're going to be doing, I'm going to be making an announcement very soon about the launch and everything else that's going on. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and comment in the video. If there's any other topics that you would like to see me do on this channel, please let me know. That was a mouthful. See you later. Bye. I love you.